Presenting MYFA Wooden World Map. This educational toy is ideal for children between 3 years to 8 years of age. This puzzle board helps children learn about different parts of the world at an early age. The package contains beautifully illustrated world map. The product measures 12 by 15 inches and it only weighs around 250 grams. This educational puzzle is made of high quality non-toxic material, making it perfectly safe for all ages. Besides helping children learn about the world, this puzzle board also improves their problem solving skills. Playing with this puzzle also helps children improving their IQ and increase their productivity.